Hello students, today we are going to discuss that is hydration enthalpy. Hydration enthalpy. So first of all, let us try to understand what is meaning of hydration enthalpy. So when you are putting the ionic solid, ionic solid or the ions in the water, okay, here is H2O is there, and suppose you are putting the ions in water. So what is happening, student? Energy released, okay. So energy released when the this will ions will get, suppose lithium ion is there, sodium ion is there, potassium ion is there, rubidium ion is there, cesium ion. Anyone if you are putting in the water, student, what will happen? They all will get be hydrated and energy will released. This release is the energy is known as, student, that is hydration enthalpy. Okay, hydration enthalpy in the very simple way, that is hydration enthalpy is the energy released when ions get dissolved in the water. So the very first questions are there. So many questions I have taken here in the slide. Let us try to understand with the question. What does high hydration enthalpy means? What is meaning of high hydration enthalpy? So student, the heat energy released when new bond are made between ions and water molecule. Okay, so whatever lithium ions are there and that is a water molecule is there, so there is a new bond is being made, so that is the heat energy release. So new bond made, okay, here is new bond, okay. So when new bond is being made, that is energy and released energy, energy will be released. So what is there, student? As the hydration enthalpy of ion, which is known as what, student? That is hydration enthalpy, which is known as hydration enthalpy. So when you are putting the ions in the water molecule, so energy is released, that is known as hydration enthalpy. If the hydration enthalpy of an ion is high, if the hydration enthalpy of the ion is high, it means that hydrated ion is very stable. Okay, very stable means hydration enthalpy is high. This thus more the attraction, more the hydration, and more will be hydration enthalpy. So this depend on how much energy is getting released, student. The greater the energy released, greater will be the hydration enthalpy. Now let us try to go with the another slide, students. What the slide is saying, what does hydration enthalpy depends on? On what factors hydration enthalpy depends? Okay, students. So let us try to understand, student, that is one by one. The magnitude of hydration enthalpy depend on the charge density of the ion. Okay, that is how much charge density, how much charge present on the particular ion, on that hydration enthalpy will be depending. The charge density is more for a smaller ion, and hence the smaller ion have high value of hydration enthalpy. Means what is smaller ions are there, smaller ions, they are saying more charge density, more charge density, and if more charge density, student, that implies that more hydration enthalpy, more hydration enthalpy. So I hope it will be helpful, student, to understand to you. The higher the charge density, higher will be the force of attraction between ions and water polar end. So that is what the is there. Smaller ion, more charge density, more will be the hydration enthalpy. Next one, which element has the highest hydration enthalpy? So lithium is supposed to have the highest hydration enthalpy from the alkali metals, student. Why? The small lithium ion has by far the highest hydration enthalpy in group 1. So we are not talking about the group 2, we are talking about group 1. And the small fluoride ion by for the highest hydration enthalpy of group 7, or you can say group 17. In both the group, hydration enthalpy fall as the ions get bigger, attraction are stronger, the more highly charged the ion. So what they are saying, student, that is if you talk about LIF, that is highest hydration enthalpy, highest hydration enthalpy, highest hydration enthalpy. Okay, so if you talk about the other any other ion, if you take out the like that NAF, KF, RBF, okay, and CSF. So when you are moving down the group, student, these are the constant. These are the constant. But the here is this size is increasing. So size is increasing means the hydration enthalpy decreases. Okay. So means hydration enthalpy. If you talk about hydration enthalpy, student, if you talk about hydration enthalpy, inversely proportional to size. So size increases, hydration enthalpy decreases. So lithium is the least size, most hydration enthalpy. Okay, next. Why Cu2 plus is more stable than Cu plus? Okay, that is very easy answer, student, because charge density you can explain, that is Cu2 plus have greater charge density, greater charged density. So if it is having the greater charge density, student, it means that is more hydration enthalpy, that is more hydration enthalpy. Okay, now what we will be able to do, student, we can summarize the answers. Stability depend on the hydration enthalpy of the ions when they bond to the water molecule. The Cu2 plus ion has a greater charge density than the Cu plus ion, thus form much stronger bond, releasing more energy. Okay, so this date you don't have to remember, student. What they are saying, that is a greater charge density, student. So more hydration, more energy will be released because bond will be stronger. Next, why transition metal have high hydration enthalpy? Okay, so that reason is, this is due to their small and large nuclear charge. This is, what they are saying, this is due to their small and large nuclear charge. This is so because when we move along a transition series, nuclear charge increases and size decreases. Okay, so that is small size, they have the small size and larger charge density, so if larger charge density, it means that is high, that is high hydration enthalpy, so you will be able to understand, student, this. Okay, let us move with the another slide. Why does hydration energy decreases down the group? Okay, when you are moving down the group, hydration enthalpy decreases. The reason is, student, on moving down the group, if you are moving down the group, so what will happen, student? On moving down the group, size increases. Okay, student, size increases. Okay, size increases and hydration enthalpy decreases, right? So student, let us read out the slide. The size of hydration enthalpy is governed by the amount of attraction between ions and water molecule. The attraction are stronger the smaller the ion. Stronger the smaller ion, more attraction. For example, hydration enthalpy fall from the down the group in periodic table. In both group, hydration enthalpy falls as the ion get bigger. So moving down the group, that is what is size is increasing, student, and hydration enthalpy decreasing. Now let us move next slide, student. What is difference between lattice energy and hydration enthalpy? Okay, try to understand this, student. It is good for answers. The lattice energy depend on the sum of the anion and cation radii. Okay, so if you write the formula, student, lattice energy, what is the lattice energy? It is lattice energy Z plus into Z minus, that is charge, divided by Rc plus Rc minus. So that is the radii of cation and anion. So whereas hydration energy has separate anion and cation terms. So that is for anion and cation there is a separate terms is there. Generally the solvation of small ions, typically cation dominates the hydrogen itself because of the 1 by r square dependence. So that is what is the important point you have to understand. Here you are adding these two. Okay, but in case of hydration enthalpy we are not adding, that is separate for the ions. That is why hydration enthalpy and lattice enthalpy are different. Next one is student, in which of the following hydration enthalpy is higher? Okay, so four options they have given: BaSO4, MgSO4, RaSO4, SrSO4. So student, down SO4 is common. SO4 is common. Now when you are moving the down the group, okay, small size, more hydration enthalpy, small size more hydration enthalpy. So you students, that is they are the group 1, group 2 element, so they are saying higher na. So that is first one, you can magnesium, okay, beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium and radium. So that is, beryllium is not there, so this is ruled out. Magnesium will come on the second position, so MgSO4 will be the highest hydration enthalpy. Let us read out here, answer is MgSO4. So what is the answer is there, student? If you are talking about the answers, the hydration energy of sulfate decreases top to bottom as second group. Mg is the smaller than the other ion in the group, so Mg2 plus is readily hydrated. MgSO4 has higher hydration energy than the lattice energy. Hydration energy of sulfate decreases from top to bottom in second group, so Mg2 plus is smaller than other ion, so the Mg2 plus readily hydrated. MgSO4 has higher hydration enthalpy than lattice energy. Next, why LiF is most insoluble in water? So the hydration energy of LiF, this is exceptional question, student, that is you don't get confused, exceptional question. Okay, so the hydration energy, otherwise this is, if it is not exceptional, so it will be most soluble. Okay, the most hydration enthalpy, the hydration energy of LiF is lower than the lattice energy of lattice energy. Okay, that is hydration energy is less than lattice energy. In case LiCl, the hydration energy is higher than the lattice energy, hence LiCl is water soluble, and okay, and this is LiF is not water soluble. Next, this is the same answer. In solution, insoluble in water is insoluble in water, while the highly soluble. Okay, so that is they are saying, that is BOH whole twice is what, student? Insoluble in water, but BaOH whole twice is, BaOH whole twice is highly soluble in water. Reason, on moving down the group, lattice energy decreases with increase in size of cation. So when you are moving down the group, student, what are the order? So beryllium is there, student, then magnesium is there, calcium is, strontium, barium, radium. So beryllium, if you talk about, student, is small size. So barium, on moving down the group, lattice energy decreases. Okay, lattice energy decreases with increase in size. So that is beryllium hydroxide is insoluble in water, and barium hydroxide highly soluble. The reason is the lattice energy, student. Here is lattice energy. So lattice energy is what they are saying, that is B is very high, beryllium hydroxide. This is also exceptional question, student. Okay, exceptional question where you have to keep in mind, that is lattice energy is high, lattice energy, that is why beryllium hydroxide is less soluble. Here you read out the slide, student. The magnitude of hydration enthalpy depends on the charge density of the ions. The charge density is more for a smaller ion, and hence the smaller ion have higher value of the hydration enthalpy. The bigger the charge density of the ion will be force of attraction between the ion and water polar agent. The magnitude of ion depend on the charge density of ion. The charge density is more smaller ion, and hence the smaller ion have the higher value of hydration. The higher the charge density, higher will be the force of attraction between the ion and water. So this is not that much of important. This is slides is there, student. Lithium is having hydration enthalpy minus 515, 405, 315, 296, and student, compound N, compounds and ions are different. Okay, so for the ions, for the compound, we go compare with the lattice. Okay, compare with the lattice enthalpy, but for ions only size. So if you understood that is what is happening, then only hydration enthalpy is more than the lattice enthalpy, then only soluble, otherwise not soluble. See here, beryllium 2 plus is there, -2494. This was too much hydration enthalpy. But we are not talking about the compound, student. We are not talking. Then here lattice enthalpy. We talk about the lattice enthalpy. So lattice enthalpy is more. So it will be less soluble. You know. So that is why you have to keep in mind that is for what they are asking, for ions or the compound. Mg2 plus is -1921. Calcium 2 plus 15 -1577 1443, like that. This is there. Next one, when you are going, that is F minus is there 515, Cl minus 381, 329, 561. So that you have to keep in mind, student. So here you are already. So they are saying group second ion have higher charge density and a small size. So that is stronger attraction will be there and more hydration enthalpy. The enthalpy of hydration decreases from lithium to cesium. Answer whether the above statement is true or false. If true, 1, and false, 0. Okay. The enthalpy of hydration decreases in going down from the lithium to cesium. The heat energy released when new bonds are made between the ions and water molecule, known as hydration enthalpy of the ion. Smaller the ion, greater is the charge density, and hence more is the extent of hydration. The hydration enthalpy of alkali metals ion therefore decreases in the with increase in the ionic size. The magnitude of hydration enthalpy is directly proportional to charge and inversely proportional to radii. So down the group, size is increasing, so hydration enthalpy decreasing. So correct option is correct one is there. Next one is there, in alkaline earth metal sulfate, the value of hydration enthalpy decreases down the group. Decrease in size, increase in size. So this is because of increase in size. Let us read out. Smaller the ion, higher will be the hydration enthalpy, because a smaller atom can accommodate the large number of water molecules around it and gets highly hydrated. So hydration enthalpy decreases down the group, because down the group size of atom increases because of the addition of extra valence cell. So this is the answer. Why hydration enthalpy decreases down the group? This is the same answers again and again questions are coming, student, because size increases. The size of hydration enthalpy is governed by the amount of attraction between the ions and water molecule. The attraction are stronger the smaller ion. For example, hydration enthalpy falls as you go down in the periodic table. In both group, hydration enthalpy falls as the ions gets larger. So more the size, lesser the hydration enthalpy. Why hydration enthalpy decreases down the group? Because size increases. Okay. Smaller the ion, higher will be the hydration enthalpy, because smaller atom can accommodate large number of water molecule around it and gets highly hydrated. Hydration enthalpy decreases down the group, because down the group size of the atom increases because addition of extra valence electron. Okay, the same hydration enthalpy decreases down the group as the atomic size increases. Due to this, it loses the tendency to react with water molecule. This is also quite answers. On what factor do the hydration energy and solubility depends? Does the hydration enthalpy increases with increase in solubility? Yes. So let us read out this one. Hydration enthalpy may be defined as energy change when one mole of ionic compound get dissolved in water. When an ionic compound is dissolved in water, ions from the compound form a kind of temporary bond with the water molecule. Solubility of compound depends on the correlation between the lattice enthalpy and hydration enthalpy. If the hydration enthalpy is equal to or greater than the lattice enthalpy, then the salt is water soluble. Factor on which hydration enthalpy depends. The size of cation and anion. As the atomic number increases, ionic size also increases, leading to decrease in absolute value of enthalpy of hydration. Charge and cation. As the charge and cation is more, hydration enthalpy is more. For example, hydration enthalpy Mg2 plus will be higher than the Na plus. So this is all about the hydration enthalpy, student. If you watch out the total, you will be able to understand. Thank you so much for watching, friends.